Will you kindly let me know where I might obtain a copy of the book published some time ago, which embodied the results of an investigation by several scholars into the importance of physical training, full stop. I cannot find it anywhere, full stop. I shall catch the 3 o'clock train from town, full stop. Will you be able to meet me at the station, question mark? I should be unwilling to impose on your kindness, and I do not know whether you will be free to meet me, full stop. If my request is an imposition, please ignore it, full stop. While I was delighted to learn how well the scholars did in the history examination, I was not greatly surprised in view of the great care with which their preparation was planned, full stop. While I am quite willing to believe that this method of shipment is an improvement and that there would be an important saving, I think we should wait until we have had an opportunity to tell whether it will be satisfactory, full stop. Meanwhile, I think the largest portion of our shipments should go according to the usual method and close.